Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to rotate images or videos in Capcut PC. So for that, just open your Capcut and start a new project. As you can see that I've already started a new project in my Capcut. So I'm gonna import video or image or anything that you want to basically rotate. So you just have to drag and drop the footage in your timeline. So I'm just gonna click on this particular video that I want to rotate. As soon as you select the videos, you will see these options right here. Right beside the crop icon, you can see this rotate icon. Just click on it. And now as you can see that this video has been rotated. And if you want to change the rotation, you can press again. You can see that the video has been tilted upside down, and you can press again. You can see the rotation that you want to add in the video, and you can also do it with the image as well. This is how you can rotate a video or image in your Capcut PC. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.